Hello everyone, and welcome to Gbyte. Have you forgotten your iPhone 17 lock screen passcode, or is your iPhone stuck in unavailable mode because you can't recall the code? Don't worry, with just a few simple steps, you can get back into your device. In this video, we'll share 3 effective ways to unlock your iPhone 17. Let's see which method works best for you. Method 1, use the Forgot Passcode option. If your iPhone displays iPhone unavailable, you might notice a new option at the bottom of the screen, Forgot Passcode. This feature is available only if your device meets specific conditions. You'll see this option at the bottom when the iPhone unavailable screen first appears. Tap it, and the iPhone will warn you that this action will erase all content on the device. This process deletes all data, including the lock screen passcode. Next, enter your Apple ID password to sign out of the device. Once the reset is complete, you can set up your iPhone as new or restore your data from a backup. Please note that resetting your iPhone results in data loss. If you haven't backed up your data beforehand, it cannot be preserved. Method 2, unlock your iPhone using a computer. If your device doesn't meet the requirements for Method 1, you can try unlocking it using a computer. For this process, I'll be using Gbyte. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch Gbyte. Select Unlock iOS screen to begin the process. Gbyte will guide you into recovery mode. To do this, press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally, press and hold the power button. Wait for the iPhone to restart and enter recovery mode. Gbyte will then match the latest iOS firmware to your iPhone. Click Download to proceed. Once the firmware download is complete, click Start Remove. This process takes about 10 minutes. You can take a quick break. When you return, the iPhone reset should be finished. Next, go through the initial iPhone setup process. That's all there is to it. Once finished, your iPhone 17 will be just like new. This method is perfect for beginners and is more stable than using iTunes. Method 3, erase your iPhone using iCloud. If you have enabled Find My iPhone and the device is connected to the internet, you can remotely erase it via iCloud to remove the lock screen passcode. Simply visit iCloud.com in your browser and sign in with your Apple ID. Locate and select the iPhone with the forgotten passcode from your device list, and you will see the Erase this device option. Selecting this will remotely erase your iPhone, including the lock screen passcode. Once the process is complete, you can set up the iPhone as a new device or restore your data from iCloud. Those are 3 quick ways to unlock your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel so more people can discover these useful tips. Feel free to share your questions or success stories in the comments section to help others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.